Only threw 7 pitches in that one inning. 4 fastballs. Actually, make it 6 fastballs, 1 curveball.
Gets it down with 2 strikes. Sacrifice is perfect.
Torres already with a couple of home runs, 4 RBIs, came in hitting .583 that they're going to pitch to him. First base open, you would think, with the winning run at second, that they would pitch around this youngster.
That could do it. No, it's past wide and it's going to the wall. Mexico wins it. Mexico wins it. A 4-run rally in the last inning, and the youngsters from Guadalupe celebrate. A heartbreaking loss for Mission Viejo. A single and an air. Congratulations to Guadalupe, Mexico. Mexico's first title since 1958 when Monterrey beat Kankakee, Illinois 10-1. That was a Hector Torres pitching. Today it was a Pablo